Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the LG dishwasher 6E error in 2026. So this 6E error appears when the dishwasher cannot confirm correct water intake during the fill phase. So this can happen because of low or inconsistent water pressure, blocked inlet filter, or sometimes due to flow sensor misleading. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to check the water flow under load. So you can turn on the tap connected to the dishwasher and observe. Then start the dishwasher and listen. If water flow sounds weak or delayed, the pressure may drop when the system demands water. After that, you need to simply disconnect the water hose and locate the small mesh filter at the inlet wall. Remove and clean it thoroughly. So after doing so, you just have to check the water line path and look for tight bends behind the unit, pinched sections under cabinets. So straighten the line to restore the proper flow. Now you can also start a cycle and then observe. If the water enters slowly or stops early, it means that the system may not reach the expected level in time. So this helps you confirm whether it is a flow or sensor related issue. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, you can also do a quick reset, in which you just have to either press the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds and then wait for it to restart, or you can unplug it and then wait for 3 to 5 minutes, then plug it back in and then you can restart, and this is going to clear the temporary sensor misreads. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.